Sama-sama tayong tutulong.
Ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Vice Mayor Chi Atienza and our Honorable Francisco Sco Moreno Domagoso. Kasama rin po ang ating Police Brigadier General Arnold Abad, our District Director.
O dito yan, magandang dekorasyon yan dito. Yang ganyan. Sabi nga sa Ilonggo, di ka mo magpati, ha? Tabi-tabi mo dyan. Ginigiyang pa yung isa. Anyway, good morning. Thank you for your time, and I always like to, lagi kong binibigyan ng diin at pasasalamat ang ating mga friends in the media helping us informing the general public, the people of Manila, on the effort, continuous effort to keep the peace and order situation in the city